Take your leave. Order, Honorable Angela. Honorable Atandi, take your leave. Just take your leave. You are now a stranger in the house. Take your leave. Honorable Atandi. Order, honorable members. Order, Honorable Mbui. Honorable Mbui, take your seat. Honorable Atandi, take your leave. Be the gentleman that I know. Honorable Mwenje, ask your question. Honorable Mwenje, are you in the house? Ask your question.
Thank you. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Could the Cabinet Secretary explain the action that the Ministry has taken against those responsible for invading Umoja Primary School on 5th April 2023 and give the status of investigations into the invasion and indicate whether any suspects have been arrested in connection with the incident? State the disciplinary actions that have been preferred against the head teacher and the Board of Management following the invasion of the school.
Yes.
Explain
Mwenje, go on.
Explain why the school has allowed private enterprises to operate within the school compound, and why a shipping container bearing National Youth Service NYS label is located in the school, yet managed by private individuals. Indicate why the head teacher and Board of Management have employed armed youths to protect private enterprises operating illegally within the school compound. Explain why the transfer of the head teacher from the school in January 2023, following the myriad of complaints from residents, was stopped by the Teacher Service Commission despite a transfer letter having been issued. Honorable Speaker, I wish to also note that I'm here to get responses on this issue. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Order. Order, honorable members.